This command shows some work to create feature lines from a stair object. So in this case, for this command, it's stair feature lines, and you can select the stair. And then you can create a top for it. And for the feature lines, you can put it in a site. The none site will put it in the none site, or you can put it in a site that you've already created. Or you can put the feature lines in a datum site as well. You can give these feature lines a name. So in this case, it'll be stair test. If it's a top surface, it'll use top. If it's datum, it'll use datum. And then a next counter to make sure that feature lines have a unique name. You can use a style for the feature line and then decide what layer you want it to be put on. So if I want it to go on layer 0, I could select layer 0, or I could use whatever layer is current. You can sample a surface. So that'll, in this case, be EG, and then it'll drape a feature line along the edge of the stair, and then hopefully add it as boundary, as long as Civil 3D allows it. And then we can add it to a top surface and a datum surface, and then you can have an offset of how far the offset you want for your stairs to be, since a tin surface can only have one Z elevation for every X, Y. So there needs to be a little batter if your stairs are vertical. So I'll hit OK. And then I can change my wireframe to realistic. And then the green is the stairs, and then the gray is the surfaces, or one of the surfaces. So I can go ahead and hide the stair. And then maybe look at the tin surface in Object Viewer. And then there's some cleanup that would need to be done depending on how you want to solve it around the stairs of doing the tin surface. It goes down here because I had the EG option selected, and I just have a dummy surface that goes with it. There's a datum surface as well. And that's just going to be the bottom of the stairs. And there's an option not to create those as well if you don't need it. You can modify the stairs. I hid the stairs, so I got to bring it back. So you can select the stair object, which is a solid in this case, and you can change it. In this case, I'm going to make it 4 stairs instead of 5. And then the surfaces can update and reflect that change.